If it moves, stores, or does something for grain, we handle it.
My name is Glenn Francis. Been in the grain handling industry for close to 50 years. For 25 years, we started off with about 4 people. Now we got about 40.
We do everything. There are people out there who build bins. There are people out there who do repairs. There are people out there who work at commercial facilities, people who work with farmers, people who work in feed mills. We do anything and everything, and we got the guys and the technology and the backing to pull that off.
We build stuff heavier. We build stuff of the best quality. We do our own engineering, and we do that ourselves because as a combined company, we've probably got 150 years of knowledge.
We can take everything from pencil and put it into reality. We really like to work with the customer on all of that, make sure that we're building for their future expansion and storage needs that they have.
And we try to pick the best vendors, and Chief has worked their way into our system as being some of the best. Therefore, when we try to choose a vendor for a project, many times Chief has a major part in the play of the project.
Realistically, over the last 5, 6, 7 years, if it's been any sort of a commercial bin, for an elevator or something like that, it's been Chief. They are by far our most reliable, commercial vendor. We have a lot of trust in them. They have a lot of trust in us. Got some good relationships with both Ross and management as well.
They've got a good team. They've got some great engineers. They've got a great sales department, and they go that extra mile to take care of the dealer.
That's one thing that I think is very wonderful about Chief. And then they also build very robust. It's something I'm very confident to put myself up on and be a part of and climb on, and they pride themselves in all of that.
I would highly recommend Chief as far as roster of manufacturers and vendors.